Welcome, everyone. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the anatomy of a high-quality prompt. Prompt engineering involves crafting precise, contextual instructions for AI agents so that you get the exact results you want. It is the critical bridge translating human intentions into AI-understandable instructions. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by defining what a prompt actually is. At its core, prompt engineering involves crafting precise, contextual instructions for AI agents. Why does this matter? Because bad prompts are like playing a game of telephone with earmuffs on. You get back garbled, unhelpful results. By mastering prompt anatomy, we translate human intentions into flawless AI execution. Looking at our diagram, you can see the direct path from human intent to a targeted output. An engineered prompt guarantees a clear destination, while a vague prompt wanders off into generic territory. Now that we understand the why, let's look at the what. The anatomy of a perfect prompt is built on four foundational pillars: the context, the specific request, the constraints, and the desired output format. Think of this like a recipe. If you leave out key ingredients, your soufflé becomes a pancake. We will explore each of these pillars one by one. This flowchart breaks down the prompt into its four essential pillars. Think of the instruction as the engine, the context as the steering wheel, input data as the fuel, and output indicators as your dashboard. Let's zoom in on the first component, the instruction or the specific request. You must be clear and direct, treating the AI like a brilliant but new employee who needs precise explanations. If your request is vague, like saying, "Fix this email," the AI has to guess what fix means. Instead, use specific, action-oriented directives to get exactly what you need. As shown here, a vague instruction forces the AI to guess your intent, leading to unpredictable results. A specific instruction, however, drives the model directly to the exact output you envisioned. Our second pillar is context. Context gives the AI the big picture, defining the who and the why. By assigning a specific role or persona, you focus the AI's behavior, tone, and expertise for your specific use case. This ensures the model applies its vast intelligence to your highly specific situation, rather than giving a generic answer. This diagram illustrates how context works. By setting a persona and providing background, you align the AI with your business goal, resulting in deeply contextualized reasoning rather than surface-level answers. Pillar number 3 is input data and constraints. When working with raw data, it is a best practice to structure your prompt using XML tags. By wrapping your data in tags, you help the AI parse complex prompts unambiguously, separating your core instructions from the data itself. This also establishes clear boundaries and constraints, which bring clarity rather than limitation. Notice how we split the prompt. By isolating instructions from the input data using XML tags, the AI achieves unambiguous parsing. It knows exactly what to do and exactly what data to do it on. Our final pillar is output indicators. You must tell the AI exactly how you want the response structured. This can include format constraints like JSON, Markdown, or tables. One of the most reliable ways to steer this formatting is through few-shot prompting, providing well-crafted examples to demonstrate the exact pattern you want the AI to follow. Here we see the culmination of output indicators. Raw AI output is filtered through your format rules and few-shot examples, resulting in a perfectly structured JSON or table response every time. Let's put theory into practice with a real-time use case. Imagine you are building an automated customer support triage system. We give the AI a role as a routing agent, provide the instruction to categorize the issue, wrap the email text in XML tags, and constrain the output to strict JSON. This ensures valid, parsable outputs for downstream systems without any hallucinated preambles. This diagram maps our use case perfectly. We set the agent context, deliver the exact categorization instruction, feed in the XML tagged email data, and demand a JSON schema output. It is a flawless pipeline. Finally, remember that prompt engineering is a highly iterative process. Professional prompt engineers rarely nail it on the first try. They analyze the output, refine the instructions, and repeat the cycle. Always test your prompts and adjust based on the AI's responses. Thank you for joining this session. I invite learners to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep, including Q&A banks, full ebooks, audiobooks, full-length training, and interview guides. This simple loop is your key to mastery. Draft the prompt, evaluate the AI's output, refine your constraints, and repeat. Iteration is where good prompts become great prompts.